Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to use this motor drill BOSCH Professional GBM 10RE heavy duty. Okay, inside the box you will get the motor and the user manual. Also inside the box you will get the warranty card. It depends on your country that you buy this motor, and you will also get this driver for change the screw. Okay, so I have a drill here, and then if you want to insert it, you need to scroll this one, and you will see inside the three of these teeth will capture the drill. Okay, so if you input it, just then screw it until it get tight, and then you need to use this driver. Okay, now you need to use this driver and plug it into that hole, and now screw more to tighten the screw. Okay, and to use it you just press this. When you press it a little bit, it will just go a little bit. Okay, and this one is the reverse. You will see it's get reverse, go in, and if you put it to the middle, it will lock the motor, and this one is the lock. Okay, so now when you press and then lock, press and lock. Okay, and then you see the power button is now locked, and the motor will always continue until you press unlock. Okay, when you unlock, just press this one once again. Now do it once again, press the power again. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can use the BOSCH Professional GBM 10RE heavy duty motor. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.